The purpose of recycling and how it helps the environment. Recycling is a crucial practice that aims to reduce waste, conserve resources, and minimize the environmental impact of human activities. It involves collecting, processing, and transforming materials that would otherwise be discarded into new products. The purpose of recycling extends beyond waste management. It plays a significant role in promoting sustainability and mitigating the environmental challenges associated with resource depletion and pollution. Here's an exploration of the purpose of recycling and its environmental benefits. 1. Conservation of natural resources. Reduction in raw material extraction. Recycling helps conserve natural resources by reducing the need for raw material extraction. For example, recycling paper saves trees, recycling metals reduces the demand for mining, and recycling plastic decreases the reliance on petroleum-based sources.
Energy savings.
The production of goods from recycled materials often requires less energy compared to manufacturing from raw materials. For instance, recycling aluminum requires significantly less energy than extracting aluminum from bauxite ore.
2. Waste reduction. Landfill space conservation.
Recycling reduces the volume of waste sent to landfills, conserving valuable landfill space and mitigating the environmental impact of landfill disposal. Prevention of marine and litter pollution. Proper disposal of recyclables prevents them from ending up in oceans, rivers, and natural landscapes, reducing marine pollution and litter that can harm ecosystems and wildlife. 3. Energy conservation. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Manufacturing products from recycled materials often produces fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to manufacturing from virgin materials. This contributes to mitigating climate change and reducing the carbon footprint associated with production processes. 4. Economic benefits. Job creation. Recycling industries create jobs in collection, processing, and manufacturing. This not only benefits the economy but also fosters a more sustainable and circular approach to resource use. Revenue generation. The recycling of certain materials, such as aluminum, can generate revenue through the sale of recycled materials. This provides economic incentives for individuals, businesses, and municipalities to participate in recycling programs. 5. Pollution reduction. Less pollution from extraction. Extracting raw materials often involves environmentally damaging processes such as mining and deforestation. By reducing the demand for raw materials through recycling, the associated pollution from these extraction activities is minimized. Water and air pollution mitigation. Recycling processes, when compared to the production of goods from raw materials, generally generate fewer pollutants. This includes emissions to air and discharges to water, contributing to improved air and water quality. 6. Extended product life cycle. Closed-loop systems. Some recycling processes contribute to closed-loop systems, where materials are recycled and reused in the production of the same or similar products. This extends the life cycle of materials and reduces the need for continual extraction of new resources. 7. Environmental preservation. Biodiversity conservation. Recycling helps preserve natural habitats and biodiversity by reducing the environmental impact associated with resource extraction. This is particularly relevant in ecosystems affected by mining and logging activities. Conclusion. The purpose of recycling goes beyond waste management. It is a cornerstone of sustainable practices aimed at conserving resources, reducing pollution, and minimizing the ecological footprint of human activities. Embracing recycling as a societal norm and incorporating it into everyday practices is essential for creating a more sustainable and environmentally responsible future. By doing so, individuals, communities, and industries contribute to the well-being of the planet and the preservation of its ecosystems for future generations.